Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Neo 3 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options on this REALME. Firstly, go into settings and tap on sound and vibration. Now tap on sound mode and tap on vibrate over here. This way you can mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. Now scroll down and tap on ringtone. Over here you need to select vibration and disable vibrations completely for incoming calls by tapping on no vibrations. You can also select one of those patterns by tapping on the best one for you. Or synchronize your vibrations with ringtone by clicking on this option over here. When you're ready, just go back twice. Now scroll down and click on the switcher next to Vibrate on ring to switch on or off vibrations for incoming calls from here. Now you need to click on vibration intensity and adjust intensity of vibrations for incoming calls. And notifications vibrations by swiping left or right. When you're ready, click over here. Now tap on haptics and tones, and lastly tap on the switcher next to system haptics to enable or disable touch vibrations. If you wish to enable them, you can also adjust intensity by swiping left or right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!